Welcome to Knowledge Power. Here you can see how you can create another user in the same Android phone, either Android tablet. All you need to do, go to the settings, and then you will find users and accounts, and then you will see there's the option of users, and then you can create a new user. You can make your name that you want, and after that you can also update a profile in it, and then you can give certain right to certain profiles. You can allow them to make calls or communications if you want to. There will be a separate profile, and they will not be able to access your photos, they will not be able to access your records, anything. That will be a separate user, and they will not be able to use anything for the current user.